with a new box to my channel today. This box is the Cookie Club box. It's a subscription box that they'll send you like homemade cookies each month. I actually seen this on my friend Lisa from Accidental's channel. I'll link her thing up above, though mine looks a little different than hers. Hers came in like a packet. Mine's definitely a box. I did find this on Groupon for like $7, and then when you get subscription on Groupon, you usually have to pay for the shipping cost when you go to the website and like redeem your coupon and stuff. Just a heads up, if you use Groupon for like subscription boxes and stuff, it'll be the cost usually of the Groupon plus shipping, whatever that may be. But this is the Cookie Club box. Let's get into it. Come on. And it looks real nice inside. You got some floodles and cookies, which this is really weird, because I swear like her box, she got like all the same types of cookies and stuff, and these are all different kinds of cookies. Like you got it looks like an M&M cookie, and like these are like individually wrapped so you can enjoy them. I got like a chocolate chip cookie, either a sugar cookie or a snickerdoodle cookie. This one might be like a double chocolate chip cookie, and I'm just guessing, you guys, because these are not labeled at all. And I think this is another chocolate chip cookie, and this one looks like a white chocolate chip or white chocolate macadamia nut cookie, and this one is some kind of like maybe Rocky Road cookie, because it's like chocolate with white chocolate chip. And that's another like some sort of chocolate chip or something. I don't know what this is. It's not a cookie. And then this is might be chocolate chip, or it might be like some kind of oatmeal based something. And then this one's white chocolate macadamia nut. And then this is definitely chocolate chip right here. So that's like, how many cookies are in this box? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's like 12 cookies in this box, you guys. I'm not gonna sit here and try all of these cookies for you today. But like I said, they are homemade cookies from what it looks like. Like I said, they're individually wrapped, like, but they're not like exactly sealed. You can tell that these were hand wrapped. But yeah, it's definitely a fun thing. I'm probably gonna only do this for this month. But it seemed like something fun to do, and the price was right. Like only $7 isn't bad for a box of cookies. So yeah, have you tried anything like this before? Do you guys do subscriptions through Groupon or anything? Let me know below in the comments. Also, let me know how your day is going and stuff. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I have new content up. If you have any suggestions to any different types of videos, or even like different subscriptions you'd like to see in my channel, comment that below too and let me know. But yeah, so until the next video, I will see you guys. Bye!